Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to activate your Betway account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in betway.com. Once you're on this website, click on this link where it says sign up. Once you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now on this page, you'll have to enter your account information. So go ahead and enter your username, password, and confirm your password by entering the same password. And then at last, enter your email address. So go ahead and do that. Once you have done that, click on this next button. Then you'll have to enter your personal details. You'll have to select your title, enter your first name, last name, and enter your date of birth and select your country. Go ahead and do that. Once you have done so, again click on this next button. Then at last, you'll have to enter your contact details. So enter your address on this box and enter your phone number. Once you have done so, scroll a bit down. Then under this section, select your daily limits, weekly limit, and monthly limit. Once you do so, scroll a bit down. Then, as you can see in welcome offer section, you'll have sports offer, or you can select no welcome offer. Select anyone that you like and then click on this checkbox. Then at last, click on this button where it says register. Once you do so, your account will be activated. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.